TikTok Precision was founded in 2010 and is located in Chang'an Town, Dongguan, China. We are an ISO 9001 to 2015 certified manufacturer, specializing in CNC machining and complex parts. With advanced equipment, skilled engineers, and strict quality control, we deliver fast, precise, and sustainable manufacturing to clients worldwide. Our parts are widely used in aerospace, underwater equipment, automotive, medical, marine, robotics, and semiconductors. Whether for rapid prototypes or full-scale production, we are trusted for our reliability and exceptional quality. We are equipped with 3-axis and 5-axis machines, CNC lathes, EDM, and an independent inspection lab. All key machines are operated by experienced technicians to ensure precision, stability, and efficiency. At TikTok Precision, every project begins with a meticulous review of technical drawings and process evaluation. Our engineering team develops tailored machining pots and process plans based on part geometry and performance requirements. We deeply integrate a wide range of advanced manufacturing techniques, including 5-axis simultaneous machining, mill turn machining, grinding, EDM, laser cutting, sheet metal bending, precision casting, and metal 3D printing, enabling us to flexibly handle the challenges of complex geometries, intricate processes, and multi-material components. TIC Precision offers over 20 types of metal surface finishing processes, including electroplating, sandblasting, anodizing, powder coating, laser engraving, chemical cleaning, and polishing, providing one-stop solutions to meet both the functional and aesthetic requirements of your parts. Our QC equipment includes spectrometers, CM-MIS coordinate measuring machines, 2.5D vision measuring systems, height gauges, surface roughness testers, and coating thickness gauges. From incoming material inspection, in-process control, to final QC inspection, we insist on strict quality control throughout the entire production process. To every batch of parts meets drawing specifications and industry standards. Every product is carefully packaged. From detailed protection to clear labeling, we ensure safe and damage-free delivery during transportation.